10, 15, 20, 25. All right.
26, 27, 28, 29, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 40.
Hold on. 39.
40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47.
We've watched so many YouTube videos of people with this from their vending machine business, and now I can't believe that this is like us doing this. Come up with a plan and execute it. So my husband handed me this morning and told me to deposit it into our account. So that's what I'm getting ready to do right now. But I didn't count it. He did, but he told me to recount it. So I'm gonna count this. Fill out my deposit slip, and I also have some checks to deposit from the notary business. So I'm gonna count this and make this deposit. So I'm at my bank actually right now, and when I leave here, I'm going to a signing this morning.
They just leave. They don't even ask for your license, nothing. Just hold out $100.
Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go to, I'm heading to my first signing. It's for 10 o'clock. I'm super early right now, but I will be on my way. I'm home, back home for the day. Today I did my first apostille. I am so excited to see how this goes. I've been afraid to do them, but with a special someone named Anada's help, I have been able to grab my first client. I get a lot of calls for apostilles, and I just wasn't confident to do them, or wasn't really clear on what I should be doing. So she helped me. Shout out Anada. Catch her in Clubhouse speaking sometimes. And now I'm back home. My husband had to go. Hold on, because he just walked in.
Okay, y'all, so I just stacked up my second machine for the day. Looking good. Let's see what we got going on here.
Hold up now. I just made one deposit. He just came home from dealing with, he actually went and refilled one of the vending machines because it's been like, they have been using this one machine. So he went to refill it, and luckily he went up there to refill it because when he was on his way, they called and said something was going on with the machine. So I'm hoping, did you figure out what was going on with it? What was that?
Coin. That gun was full of coins.
God, dog, for real? So too many coins was in it? Wow, so you definitely gotta check that machine every week, it looked like.
I just took out the one that was jamming.
Seriously? What if it started jamming again?
Well, I took the part out that was jamming. The part that the coins, where you put the money, the coins in there. Yeah, it's like a little section right there.
It's so dark in here.
All the coins was like stuck right there for some reason.
And remember he said that though when we went over there, when we got the machine. Remember he said take this out because it's always stuff jammed in there. He said that. Wow. So how much did Navax say that is on the machine? Oh, I said Navax.
Yeah. 140.
What in cash?
No. Yeah, with the coins that's still there.
Dang, y'all, this is what we wanted. This is what we wanted.
Okay, I found $2 bills up in there.
What? I got this is what we wanted. I just came from making a deposit. Wow. It's so exciting. Yes. And you know what? The first place, let me say this. The first place that we found out about vending machines from was from Black Wealth Renaissance. I have been following them for a while now. When we were nearing the end of our debt-free journey, I started looking into ways to build wealth. So I'm like, okay, we're nearing the end. We almost got everything paid off. Now it's time to start shifting my mindset of, okay, pay this, to, okay, how do we save? How do we invest? How do we build other incomes? And we have so many things that we want to do. Y'all know I got kids. I can't, these boys are so many things that we want to do and that we're looking to get into. So this is the first one. We coming for some more. All right, so I'm gonna count this. Thanks for tuning in to this video, and y'all know I'll be back with more. Like, subscribe, and comment.